Hello and welcome to Travels with Shane and Matt. This is part 3 of our 7-day Norwegian Fjords cruise on P&O Iona. Today we're in Olden. We've just arrived and I'll show you our current view. Yes! For those of you that have seen previous videos of Olden, you know that by being on this side of the ship, we're going to get the sail away. I'll show you. And there's a blue bit of sky up there, snowy topped mountains, blue water. But first, breakfast. This is at the aft of the ship. It's a nice suite there. Up to the infinity pool. Humongous jacuzzi. At that seats 18 people. But then look at this. My goodness. We're going to Briksdal Glacier at 11 and then we'll come back and do a little walk to that church just there in the centre of the screen. If this sun wants to stay, it'd be brilliant. We will carry on with our walk. As you can see, it's panoramic views, beautiful in every single, and I mean every single direction. At the front now. Here is the staff pool and jacuzzis. If you book an excursion at Olden, you get off there and your excursions are here. You can do the train, the open top bus, or Olden Adventure is literally there where all those tents are. So we've booked the Briksdal Glacier with Olden Adventure. It's about 20 or 30 quid cheaper than with the cruise. Let's see what he's got to say.
Well, a very good morning everyone. This is the Officer of the Watch speaking from the bridge. This announcement is to advise that this morning the ship's alarm signals will be sounded and announcements made as deck and technical crew members are exercising their emergency duties. During this crew drill, I would request that passengers please keep clear of the outside areas of deck 18 aft and any other area where the crew may be working. Only limited passenger services will be available for the duration of the exercise.
Here's our bus. there is the first sight of the glacier. It looks a bit bigger than when we came 7 years ago because it's still covered in snow. Whereas last time it just had ice on it. So it looks more white than blue this time, which is exciting. Obviously a little cafe and a little shop. Just started the hike. There's the glacier. There's the waterfall. Well, that is coming down. Here come the toll cars. Made it. Couple of cute goats. Glacier. Troll guys. Matt. You couldn't have been more in the way. we managed to get the front seat on the way back, so you've just seen some time lapses and I hope you like them. We've really lucked out with the weather today. We've done about 15,000 steps, just got back on, had a quick half a pint of Pepsi and lemonade, and we're going to get off and go and see the churches now, to try and get us above 16,000 steps before dinner, and then it's sail away. So the weather is holding out. We're on our walk now. We're going to do the old church and the new church.
All the weather apps say that this is mostly cloudy as well.
Oh.
Today, which is
And
ridiculous.
Matt's just saying that the weather app is saying that this is classed as mostly cloudy at the minute. Lovely little electric lawnmower. If you've watched our previous vlogs when we came to Olden, you couldn't see any sky. It was just thick grey cloud and rain. I literally remember walking to this church and it was raining. Some people are now in shorts and t-shirt, as demoed here, and having a lovely, lovely time. Matt is really worried about this Japanese knotweed problem.
The place is infested.
Yeah. He will not be able to sleep for a week. Whittling about this, will you, Matt?
It's incredibly embarrassing.
Well, I know, but you probably don't need to worry about it getting to us from Norway. And here is the new church. Not sure what year this was. Oh, it's a 1934. So that is 90 years old. Very new. Matt's just going to the other side to get a sunny shot while I head on. That's the view from the church. There's the ship down there. Oh, here he comes. Entree. On our way back to the ship now. Ooh. Oh God. Not sure I'm a fan of this. Oh Lord, it's really rocking. Oh. Oh. Oh God. Oh, I'm scared. Oh. 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 Just keep going. Come on, you can do it. Oh. It is really tempting to jump in, isn't it? It is really tempting to jump in. I won't lie, I did not enjoy walking over that bridge. I think the only way back is back over the bridge. That was not my favourite thing to do at all. Ah! Okay, so this is stunning, but we need to get back over this bridge. Oh God, I'm gonna go. Oh Lord, let's go. Woo! Right, keep walking. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Through many dangers told and slain. Made it. Smashed it. Here he comes. That was a lovely walk. We're up to 18,000 steps and still counting. There's the ship. You won't be able to see it, but the Lowen Skylift is just at the top of that mountain. In fact, let me zoom. Just up there. And I tell you what, I bet they can see a lot more today than what we could last time we came. We're very worried that Matthew may have burned himself. In fact, his arms look a bit red.
Warm all day.
Yeah, it's been an absolutely stunning day, hasn't it?
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
So we're going to rush back now, iron some clothes, get showered, get ready for the sail away, and then I think we're going to go and watch the acrobatics show tonight, and then maybe go to the silent disco in the atrium. The people are all coming out. Here we go, Triboo about to start.
also like to point out that throughout the performance, strobe lighting and smoke will be used for atmospheric effect.
We've been to festivals, which is alright, and we've just come to the atrium now for a drink. Still sailing down the fjord, as you can see. And then bedtime soon. Can you guess the song? +10. Don't judge. We're now out into the ocean. Don't know which one, but the one that's by Norway. And tomorrow we are going to be in Haugesund. So, good night, God bless, like, subscribe, and we'll see you there.